Although it's possible to load a line type file and then set a particular line type within a drawing, we find it a lot easier to have a standard drawing containing the line types and insert them into the current drawing, and then you'll know you'll have the appropriately scaled line type available. Let's demonstrate. So if we say insert a block from the block manager, I've got one called metric line types, and I'll go OK and I'll bring it in. What that gives me is a series of lines drawn here about 3 meters long, each having a particular line type associated with it. So if, for the sake of argument, we've got a line here which is going to be used for carrying a low voltage electrical system through to these symbols which represent uplights that are going to be placed along that line and fed by that signal, what we need to do, or what we might want to do, is to use a dashed line to indicate that. So it's only now that the line type's in the drawing, it's just a matter of selecting the line, clicking Properties, going to, I'll just move that across a little, going to the line type. Because we've inserted a block, wrong one, line type, because we've inserted a block with that series of line types that you see on the left hand side, we can say we want the dCAD dashed line type. It's now associated with that line, and when we close our properties box and look at our line, you can see that it's now a dashed line. So it's very easy to do that rather than try and load individual line types. It would take you many steps to load all those line types that you see on the right hand side. When you've used them, of course, just delete them and they're still there. They can be used for other lines in the drawing.